Hi guys, if you have something in your photo that shouldn't be there, you can remove it easily using Photopea. For example, in this image, the clock here is distracting and we would like to remove it. So simply click on the Spot Healing Brush tool and just adjust the size of the brush, make it slightly bigger than the object itself, and simply paint over the object that you would like to remove. Now Photopea will automatically replace the pixels in this space with the surrounding pixels. And after it's done doing that, if you are not satisfied with the result, you can simply change the size of the brush again and again paint over the object. Again, it will fix it for you. You can keep doing that until you are satisfied with the result. And that's it. That's how you remove an object from an image in Photopea. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.